So hello guys, on the topic we are going to discuss today is paragraph. What is paragraph, its syntax, and why it is used in HTML? Okay, so let me tell you briefly about the paragraph. The syntax mainly used to write the paragraph showing here on your screen. So here you can see these are the tags on number 1. P for paragraph. Hour is used for the horizontal line. BR is used to break the line or move to the next line. Pre is used for pre-formatting. We are going to show you practically all these, or we will use 4 of or create paragraph. So first of all, for writing a paragraph, let example I wanna write paragraph of 300 words, so I will use word lorem like I want 300 words. I will type lorem 300 or press here, so you can see here we got paragraph of 300 words. All this we do between the paragraph syntax, so save it and refresh web page. Here you can now see the change. We have paragraph with 300 words. Now we are going to use the HR tag in paragraph. The HR tag is used to add the horizontal line on your web page. You can change the thickness of line or its size from properties, so for changing. First of all, we go to Visual Studio Code and type the HR inside the body anywhere you want to add the line. Now save it and refresh the web page. Here you can see now I am adding one more on the header or top, but remaining inside the body, because anything displaying on the web page is what inside the body. Now I am going to use the BR tag to break the line or move to the next line, so as here you can see the paragraph of 300 words. First of all, we make it short from 300 to 150, so now it's easy to understand now from where we wanna shift to the next line. For example, from here we will add BR tag and save it or refresh our web page, so here we can see the change. Which is on number 4, is used for formatting, to arrange or give format to the text. As here you can see I wanna give format to these headings, so for this I will use open syntax in the start and the close one in the end. Now save it and refresh the web page, so here you can see our headings are pre-format, same as for paragraph.